Let's talk about the required skill set today. When we are talking about the automation and technology, the skill sets become an important pointer to be considered. So in today's digitalized era, technology-driven era, we are talking about this person who is supposed to take important decisions in the organization relating to the data of the organization. So this person ideally is responsible for managing all finance-related activities in the business. They have to talk about the accounting principles, they have to talk about the cash inflow and outflow, they have to talk about bookkeeping, they have to talk about all the provisions that are needed and required for information sharing. This finance information also needs to be shared with the stakeholders, that is the people who have invested into the business, with the audience as a whole, that means the general audience. But here, the most important part comes up to be the government regulations and the government authorities. There are taxation issues, there are legal issues, etc. that are involved. So here, when we are talking about implementation of all these strategies, it becomes prominent for this person to have a great command over his skills. So herein, we have talked about the skill sets. We'd be coming up with more. Stay tuned with Teen MBA, and we'd be getting back soon.